How's it, Shana? Check this out. So it really is a whole new world out here. Old is new, new is old. Everything's lit up at night. You never know what's going to be around the next corner.
This is amazing.
It's cool.
Best hike I've ever been on.
E-bikes, buses, metros, DIDI, scooters, fast trains. You have to watch where you're going. Everything's on time and cheap. Public transport. There's always a few stairs, a weirdo or two. But there's an app for everything, even though the app needs translating. This is our complex. Guerrilla gardening on the left. These are the refrigerated containers that my fruit and veg gets delivered to. I order it via an app. I have no idea what it's called.
Say it again.
Pingwa means my name is Apple.
This is my missus's happy place. She calls it her soupie bowl. Put your veg and your noodles and your meat into a bowl, hand it to the lady, try and understand what she's saying. And you eat it with chopsticks and a spoonful of chili and stuffs. Very nice.
Family would deal with this. You like this?
My mom would go crazy. My mom would need.
The missus made it onto national television the other night, belting out a tune, for which she apologizes.
We're very pleased and honored to be here.
And finally, we had Halloween. We decorated our hall. Spooky.